Hi, brother. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
How are you?
I'm good.
Okay, you are good. You look like fresh, man. Seriously, good morning. It's very, very good morning, brother. So, could you tell me, like, where are you calling from?
Yeah, bro. This time I am in my room. Yeah, and I am from Uttarakhand. Yeah,
Okay,
North India.
that's
Yes.
North India in Uttarakhand. I think so.
Yeah.
Winter, summer, you are feeling too cold because
Yes,
Uttarakhand is
bro.
like,
Why not? It's
surrounding like ice. Yeah.
yes, bro. Because it's winter time, so obviously every person feel cold in this time.
Okay, okay, that's it. Yeah, actually, my aim is like definitely one day I will visit over there because nature and environment atmosphere is fantastic. Everywhere feel too cold and like it's excitement to do something over there. Seriously, environment it's lovely environment over there.
Yes, bro. You
So
are right.
definitely
Yeah.
one day I will visit over there. So
Yeah.
anyway, brother, could
Yeah.
you tell me about yourself? Like, what's your name and
Yes, bro. Why
who are
not?
you? Please tell
Yes,
me.
yes, bro. My name Nitin Sharma. Yeah,
Mhm.
and I am from Uttarakhand. Yeah,
Okay.
and I have completed my graduation in
Mhm,
BSc. I have done BSc, and
mhm.
I am from in Dehradun, in Dehradun. Yes,
Uh-huh.
and we are six member in my family, and we are four siblings and mother and fathers. Yeah,
Okay.
yes.
So,
And,
so what about your future plan? Like, what will you do?
yeah, bro. For the first future plan is to get any government job first. Is my future plan is yeah. First, my first aim is to get. I want to settle. Yes,
Okay.
it's my first.
So, brother, I'm confusing. Like, I call lots of people, okay, and everyone talking with me like I'm preparing a government exam, government job. I want to,
Yes,
get a government job. Why people are not thinking about private job? What is the reason, government and private? Can you explain me? Yeah.
bro. Bro,
And
you
why
know
did
it's
you choose government? Why did you not choose a like private job?
because bro, every person has different interest. I think because and I think you call those person is to interest only government job. I think it's maybe coincident you have you asked
Uh,
only those person. I think it's
See, brother,
yeah.
you're doing a study like BSc IT, am I right? BSc
Yes,
Science.
yes,
Okay.
yes.
So you can go with like we can say IT field software engineer. Then after that, like calling department for international like, and you can go engineer part. It's many way
Yes,
too.
bro. Yes,
Yeah, am I right?
we can go easily. We can go easily. It's possible.
So
Yes. Well,
So why you are not trying? Why you are trying to like government job? Because I heard about government job is like it's great job, like secure job for forever. But if
yeah,
you
bro,
talk about
because I have no interest with which you are saying. I am only interested in this. So yeah,
government, so how
yes.
do you fulfill your career? How do you get a job in government sector? How do you apply?
Yeah, bro, it's very difficult to now this time. Very difficult to find government job. I
Okay.
think yeah, but I am trying, and if I will do work hard, I can easily get, bro. It's everything is possible.
So, bro, could you tell me how to apply government job? Like, what kind of job? I'm confusing. Government job is like many, like income tax
Yes,
department,
yes, bro. I want to go in a teaching line. Yeah, teaching line.
teaching line. Okay,
Yes,
so you
yes.
can go like private also, brother. What is the reason? Like
Yes,
private.
yes. I can also go private, but first priority is to get government job. It's a secure job,
Okay,
bro. Yeah.
okay, okay,
Now,
brother. That's
this in this Corona season, Corona time, private person feel may get very difficulty in this time, and government employee no not get any problem in this time, and they get easily earn money easily, I think. In this government, it's so I give priority to government job, I think. Yeah, that's
Okay,
why
that's
reason.
so, bro. Like, you want to become a teacher, am I right?
Yes,
So,
yes, yes.
what subject you will teach in front of the students?
Yes, bro. I teach chemistry.
Chemistry.
Yes.
Okay, that's great.
Yeah.
So, what about your journey? What about your English language, brother? Like, why you are learning English language? What is the reason?
Yes, bro. Because it's English is an international language and also common language in the, all around world. So I I'm trying to learn it. Yes.
So, how do you practice yourself? How do you learn, like about listening, reading, watching, speaking? How do you
Yes, bro.
practice?
These are the methods: listening to calling with persons and reading. These types of work I
Uh,
do use daily in my life. Yes.
Okay. So every day to yourself, like about practice, about talking with stranger people, reading, listening, watching. Every
Yes.
day you.
Yes, bro.
Okay, that.
Every day I used to make a call to any person who is interested in talking with me. Yes.
Okay. So how long have been like learning English language?
Yeah. I think before 1 month ago, I am completely
Oh,
serious about this this matter. But I'm trying for one years ago, but I'm not give sufficient time for this language. I
okay.
feel now this time I feel that it's essential for essential. So I I gave one more time for practicing just and calling to other persons.
Okay. Yeah, that's great thing, brother. Seriously, you are and seriously in before a month you started. Right now you are speaking fantastically.
Yeah.
Fantastic, serious, improving day by day. So just
Yes.
keep going up to more. And what about your atmosphere environment? Like, is it available to English environment over
Yeah,
there in your?
bro. Honestly, bro, English environment is not here completely. I think no English
Yeah.
environment available in my around and in not in my house. But just I want to create it, bro. It's possible. I want to create English environment. Yes.
Okay, that
And
see
so
honestly,
tell me one thing. When I watch your video, you are the location always will be same in your behind of you. So
yeah, actually, brother, see, like always I come to in morning time. Here is like no anyone disturb me, and this is very
yes,
big place. It's silent place, quiet place. I prefer to this, and
yes,
it's very important, brother. Like whenever I make a video, like I can listen my voice. I can repeat myself. I can talk loudly. No anyone disturb. No anyone tell like what you are doing. So that's
yes,
why reason I came here myself alone. I come alone here and do something like I talk more and practice with stranger people, make a video call. Then after that, we can say like it's beautiful place like lots of big mountain you can see behind like big mountain.
yes, bro. I can see behind of you. Yeah. So,
Yeah,
bro, where are you from? Maharashtra. Are you from Maharashtra?
yeah, brother. I'm calling from Maharashtra. I'm living in Mumbai.
Okay, okay, okay. So I think your name Samir. Samir, your name.
Yeah, my name is Samir, and I done my degree, bachelor degree, 2017 in BCom stream. I was commerce student.
Yes, bro.
Then
I know. I know. You had told me already. Yes.
yeah, then after that, like 2019, I was working hotel sector as a front office. I worked and I left because due to COVID-19, I terminated. And in previous month, I was working on one of international company. A company name is like Motilal Oswal. We can
Yeah,
say
yeah.
this company belong to like buying and selling share market. Maybe you heard
Yes,
about
yes.
share market,
Yes,
stock,
yes, bro.
stock.
I know. Definitely, I heard about share market. Yes.
So I was working with, my job was like create a Demat account. So
Okay.
over there, I wasn't satisfied. So that's why reason I left. And nowadays I'm preparing another job like calling procedure. We can say international airline industry. like
Okay,
in reservation calling procedure. So that's why I'm preparing. I'm learning English language.
okay, okay.
And
So how is the weather today?
yeah, today is like sunny day. Seriously, we are not feeling cold in here. I know that winter
But bro,
summer is, yeah,
but bro, I feel very cold today.
yeah, because you are living a like island place, like we can say your surrounding is everywhere ice. So that's why reason
Yes,
you're
bro.
feeling, yeah,
Yeah, yes.
Uttarakhand.
Today is very yes. Today is very cold
Okay,
in my
not today.
state.
Every time over there it's very cold, I think. Am I right?
Yeah, yeah. Now day by day decrease the temperature in my state. Till February. Till February, day by day increase. After February it will be not normal, but but 2 or 3 months it's going very hard for every person in my state. You know.
Okay, okay, that's great thing, brother. So, bro, I think so. We have to stop here because our video is like going too long. Okay, you know,
Yes, yes, yes. You know. Yes, bro. Yeah.
so, brother.
Yes,
Thank you
bro.
very much for connecting with me
Okay,
and
bro.
all future plan. You want to become a teacher, just do practice and always learn about English language. English is very sweet and simple language, and definitely we will improve one day. Definitely we can speak in front of people without hesitation if we
Yes,
practice
bro.
more
Why
and
not?
more.
Yes. So,
So,
bro, how many person do you make call Skype call in per day? How many person?
yeah, actually, I made around 10 to 12 people. I made a video call, and it was amazing about
Bro,
English
but I
language.
have no. You know, bro. I also want to make video call, but I have no contact with and no persons. Yes.
So, brother, I want to tell you like after after call, okay. I want to tell you, okay. So have a
Okay.
nice day, brother, and keep going.
Okay,
Thank you
bro.
very much for connecting with me. Bye bye, and
Okay,
good day.
bro. Thank you.
Good
Thank
night.
you.
Bye bye. Thank you.